Located about 30 kilometers or about 20 miles from Palermo, Partinico has an active downtown rich with religious, historic, and artistic attractions. The remote, simple, but majestic sanctuary of the Madonna del Ponte outside the city is a must-see. We'll take you there and show you much more on this episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Due to its position among the valley, Partinico was a major trading junction between the east and the west of the island. The plain of Partinico controlled the only route of relatively easy access to the mountains in the area. There is evidence people inhabited the land in prehistoric times, and the Romans definitely enjoyed spending time here, as archaeological digs show remains of Roman summer villas. In fact, some historians say the name of the city comes from the Roman Parthenicium. The name is made up of Parthenios, that refers to a temple erected in honor of the goddess of hunting Diana, and Inico, the original Sican-named town. Then there were the other conquerors, the Byzantines, the Arabs, and Normans, who described the village as very fertile and peaceful place to live. India. Downtown Partinico is quite active, with many shops, churches, and historical buildings. Church of Maria Santissima Annunziata is the mother church, which is located in the center of Corso dei Mille, in the Piazza Duomo. It was built between 1552 and 1570 and was enlarged several times over the years. Inside the mother church, there are several paintings of note from the 16th and 17th centuries. High ceilings and some more modern sculptures, there's quite a bit to take in inside this church.
Libera il tuo Signore da tutti i mali, concedi la pace ai nostri giorni e con l'aiuto della tua misericordia vivremo sempre liberi dal peccato e sicuri da ogni turbamento.
This beautiful ancient marble water fountain in the Piazza Duomo is still used today by the residents. It was built in 1716 by Cardinal Acquaviva. The fountain is called Fontana delle Otto Cannoli, or the Fountain of 8 Cannolis, because of the cannoli-shaped decorations. The Palazzo del Carmine is a historic building initially used as a convent, but now it is used as the municipal library of Partinico, also the seat of some municipal offices. Inside, there's a collection of artifacts found throughout the territory. Across the street is the stage used for musical performances. Located in the Piazza Garibaldi, it was built in 1875. It replaced another stage leaning against the church of San Leonardo. The stage, which can be accessed by a double lateral staircase, was built by specialized workers from Palermo and Trapani in neoclassical style. This time machine museum, or Macchina del Tempo, has a great collection of photos and other items from the early 20th century. What a treasure this is indeed. Now off to the Santuario della Madonna del Ponte, Sanctuary of Holy Mary of the Bridge. On the way, we saw several prayer grottos devoted to the Holy Mary. We drove through plains and fields and saw some unusual rock formations to arrive at this location. But the sanctuary is also accessible from the Palermo to Madonna del Ponte motorway.
Right there.
The sanctuary is located in a very unique setting in the middle of nature along the Giotto River with the view of the bridge of the autostrada. Ceramic staircases lead down to the sanctuary. On the side walls are more ceramic portraits of the life of Jesus and Mary. Tradition has it that in 1306, King Frederick III of Sicily devoted to Maria Santissima Annunziata in order to thank her for the graces he had received. He donated the land to the Cistercian order because he wanted an abbey to be built dedicated to the Holy Mary. This painting that now exists inside was made in 1819 after several older versions were ruined by humidity. Our Lady's holding Christ, and on her sides, St. Peter and St. Paul. The painting is paraded on the streets on the week following Easter from Thursday to Saturday. Thousands of devotees from the surrounding area go on a pilgrimage to the sanctuary. People from Partinico, Palestrate, Drapetto, and Alcamo take part in this feast. We finish our visit with some typical pastries in Partinico.
Perfetto. Genovese
Con ricotta
o crema.
Hope you enjoyed this snapshot of Partinico. And if you enjoyed this video episode, please hit the like and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you on another episode of You, Me, and Sicily.